Namaskar. Waking up before sunrise is a glorified practice in practically all religion, culture, and faith. Why is it so important to get up early in the morning? It is because the environment, 1.5 hours before sunrise, holds powerful mysteries, especially the time between 4 am and 5:30 am. Hence, this period is also called as Brahma Muhurt. Brahma is a creator and Muhurta means time. So it is creator's time. The potential of creation is at peak during Brahma Muhurt. You can create all that you want in this period very easily. If you want new knowledge, you can create it. If you want new skills, you can learn it. If you want to build health, want to develop yourself, and want to find some solutions, you will get it at this time. The whole universe acts like a womb early in the morning. It is filled with the mysterious cosmic energy. Vedas, and basically in Ayurveda it is mentioned that this energy can seep through your body very smoothly if you are awake. Your Sahasrara chakra, the crown chakra, is naturally wide open in the morning, and this is the gateway for the cosmic flow. Hence, your subconscious mind is easily accessible at this time. So, what else do you need? Your subconscious is wide open and receptive, and the environment is full of energy, divine energy, to help you. I am going to give you a few techniques with which you can tune yourself at this time. First technique, Shuddhi Kriya. Do Jalaneti. Take warm water with little salt inside and take that water in your palm and sniff the water to take it out from your mouth as well as from your nose. Do it on the other side. Do this, and after that, do what is called as Kapalbhati, that is breathing in and breathing out fast from your nostril. That is like this. Do this for 30 rounds, and that is beautiful Shuddhi Kriya for your sinuses, for your internal nostrils. These Shuddhi Kriyas can open up your energy channels and remove all the blockages from this channel. Second technique, Anulom Vilom. This is a pranayam where you have to sit straight, head straight, sit in Sukhasana position, and then inhale from one nostril, hold your breath for some time, exhale from the other nostril. So this is one full circle. Go on doing this at least for 5 to 10 rounds according to your time, but do this in the morning. Third technique is chanting Om. Sit straight in meditative pose, back straight, mind full of good bhavas of surrender to higher reality, because Om is nothing else but the name of God, Pranava. And so, here, the technique goes like this, that breathe in fully, hold your breath, and then use the sound Om. Repeat this 11 times at least in the morning. So all these techniques which you would be doing in the morning would take maximum half an hour. After that, you start at your work, because at this Brahma Muhurta time, when you work, you will definitely get very good results. If you are a student, study at this time. If you are a businessman, make your business plans, renew your business, start analyzing your business, do all these things at this time. You can really get creative ideas. If you want to develop any skills, singing, painting, writing, do at this time. You will achieve whatever you want if you work at this time in Brahma Muhurta. So, make full use of this golden period, divine period, mysterious period. Wake up. Namaskar.